Understanding Project Deadline, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very common phrase in the professional world, project deadline. Understanding this term is crucial not only for your language skills but also for your professional communication. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and use of project deadline. Project deadline is a compound noun, consisting of two parts, project and deadline. Let's look at each word. 1. Project. This refers to a piece of work, usually part of a larger task, job, or undertaking. It often involves planning and is designed to achieve a particular aim. 2. Deadline. This term refers to the latest time or date by which something should be completed. When combined, project deadline refers to the specific time or date by which a project must be finished. Understanding the importance of project deadlines is key. They are crucial because 1. They help in managing time and resources efficiently. 2. Deadlines ensure that work progresses towards completion in a timely manner. 3. They are often critical in professional settings, as missing a deadline can have significant consequences. To fully grasp the concept, let's look at some examples. 1. The project deadline for the marketing campaign is next Friday. 2. We need to work overtime to meet our project deadline. 3. Missing the project deadline can result in lost clients. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in professional communication. Here are some tips for effectively managing project deadlines. 1. Plan ahead and break the project into smaller tasks. 2. Keep track of progress regularly. 3. Communicate with your team or manager if you're at risk of missing a deadline. Understanding and respecting project deadlines is essential in any professional environment. We hope this video has helped you grasp the meaning and importance of this phrase. Remember, managing deadlines effectively is a valuable skill in both your professional and personal life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.